found an SNMM file on your Samsung device or in a backup. This contains your handwritten notes and drawings from Samsung Notes, digital ink preserved for later access. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and export these mobile note files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized SNMM file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. SNMM files are memo files from Samsung Notes, containing handwritten notes, typed text drawings, voice recordings, and mixed media content, created on Samsung Galaxy devices. They store digital ink stroke data, text layers, image attachments, and audio annotations from Samsung's note-taking application. Samsung Notes, SNMM files, use a proprietary format storing vector ink stroke data with pressure sensitivity and color information, text layer content, embedded image references, audio attachment links, and page layout definitions within Samsung's Note application. Database structure. Samsung Notes, developed by Samsung Electronics, serves as the industry application standard for SNMM. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows cannot preview assets or resources used by mobile apps, so dedicated tools must be used. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the SNMM file and choose Open With. Use Samsung Notes as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. If the SNMM file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, opening on Samsung devices. Open Samsung Notes on your Galaxy phone or tablet to access SNMM files natively. The app displays all notes with handwriting text and embedded media. Sync notes across Samsung devices through Samsung Cloud for access on any Galaxy device linked to your Samsung account. Next, exporting from Samsung Notes. In Samsung Notes, select the memo and use the share function to export as PDF image or text format. PDF export preserves handwriting layout and formatting. Image export creates PNG files of each page. For text-only content, use the copy to text option for plain text extraction. Finally, accessing on other platforms. Install Samsung Notes on a Windows PC through the Microsoft Store for cross-platform access to your Samsung Notes. Alternatively, export notes as PDF from your Samsung device and transfer to any computer. Samsung Cloud Web Access at samsungcloud.com may also provide note viewing capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.